Hi, I'm Dr. Kevin Ward with Ward Chiropractic and Rehabilitation. One of the more common sports injuries we see in our office is related to shoulder injuries related to lacrosse. Now the reason for this is because lacrosse, due to the nature of the sport, requires a lot of overhead activity, which puts a lot of stress on the shoulder. Specifically, it puts a lot of stress on a structure called the rotator cuff. And what the rotator cuff does is in the shoulder, you have the ball and then you have the disc that ball sits on, and that rotator cuff keeps that ball tight to the disc, so it stabilizes that joint and keeps it from moving around a lot. Now with a lot of overhead activity, especially under load such as in lacrosse, that rotator cuff can become pinched in a certain area of the shoulder, and that pinching can cause inflammation. We call that rotator cuff syndrome or shoulder impingement syndrome. And if it gets bad enough or it occurs over a long enough period of time, it can actually cause a tear in that muscle. So we call that a rotator cuff tear or a shoulder impingement tear. So the way that we treat that, if the tear is bad enough, it does require surgery, unfortunately. But a lot of these impingement problems and even small tears do not require surgery and respond well to our treatment, which includes an alignment, which helps free up that rotator cuff and increase the space for it so it doesn't get pinched as much, as well as targeted exercises to strengthen that cuff and pull that ball back to that disc and keep it nice and tight so the problem doesn't recur. So at Ward Chiropractic, we specialize in treating these types of injuries, and we look forward to talking to you. Thank you.